So guys, these small lights from Amazon come in this small box. 10 lights comes pretty standard. I got the green ones for about $4, I believe. You get 10 little lights. It's not bad. Gonna be installing this on a 98 CRV inside the dash, if you guys can see that. So see how this goes. Alright guys, for this install, pretty easy. Take off these two Phillips head screwdrivers, then this thing just pops right off, comes out here, and then you just take off about 4 bolts. This will be one right here, down there, no one down there, and up here. I will be pausing this video and playing it back once it's done. So once all those 4 bolts are removed, you can simply just pull out this up to here. Make sure you disconnect this port right here, this one right here, and this third one there. And after that, it should be pulling out pretty easily. So I'll be right back, guys. So for those blue ones, you will have to lift those top pins just to slide them out. There's going to be 2 back connectors as well before you can take off your dashboard, sorry. And yeah, so give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna put these lights in, show you what it's all about. Alright guys, so I switched out 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Do is just twist them out, pop them in, should fit pretty well, and then you just reverse the process, put it in, twist it in, make sure it's in, and then let's put this puppy back in and see if it worked. Alright guys, I have this installed. I have not screwed that back in because obviously you want to make sure and check they work. It's pretty low, and I believe they are working. I mean, you can see that, and it is turning green, so I'm gonna have to check back later and make sure it works at night when obviously the sun's down. Alright guys, actually I just draped this sweater over the steering wheel so you can see if it worked, and that first light worked, this middle light worked, but I'm assuming 2 of them didn't. So as I've seen in the reviews, they say to just flip over the lights and it should work again, so I'm gonna do that right now. But just remember that these do work. It's pretty decent once they all start to work, so let's see what happens, guys. Alright guys, well, this was kind of a fail. It's worth a try, but took this shit off, popped this baby out, but lights don't really work as good as I thought they would, so it's a bummer. Alright guys, final purchase, final review I mean. Lights are all on, and my lights are pretty shitty. That one works. That one's pretty fucking bright. Even if I turn up my light all the way up, only that corner one works, this top one, and then those are my normal lights. So I mean, all in all, I don't really like these lights. They look cool. If they would have worked, they would look dope as hell. But maybe it's just my connectors that are bad, but they look pretty good. Or maybe I just got a bad batch, but whatever the case is, I give this a 1-star review. Not really the best. I mean, for $5, can't really complain too much, I guess, but yeah guys, not really worth it if you're looking forward to it.